Territory Studio created a fictional title sequence for the Off Cincinnati Design Conference, and you're invited to remix these assets into your very own Hollywood-style title sequence, using Adobe After Effects, Illustrator, and a few other Creative Cloud services, such as CC Libraries, Adobe Stock, and Behance. We hope the custom typeface created in Illustrator, end logo frame, and color swatches will give you inspiration to get you started. You can download these assets with this tutorial. At Territory, we use CC Libraries to store things like Illustrator vectors and Photoshop brushes. It makes us a lot more productive. You can customize the font in Illustrator by rotating and flipping elements to create new forms. And once you're happy, simply select your vector and click the Add Graphic icon in your CC Libraries window. If we jump across to After Effects, you can now see that the vector is inside your Libraries window. Simply right-click and click Import to bring it into your After Effects project.